looking at 2D geometry in an irregular shape. Now, irregular shapes are generally made of regular shapes. So let's start to work. Let's read the question really quick. The congruent squares and a parallelogram were used to form the figure shown. What is the area of the figure in square meters? So we're going to break this down into pieces. It looks like it's already giving us the shape. So let's take a look at this problem. We've got squares on the outside, but it only labels 3 on one side. But if it's a square, squares have 4 congruent sides. So if we look at this square, we'll label the new one. All sides have to be 3. When we look at area of a shape, area equals length times width. So length times width on these, 3 times 3 is 9. We did it twice because there's 2 inside of the shape. We're looking at the area for both of these shapes will be 9. So then we can go back to our original shape and put those 9s back on our shape. So we know that both those pieces equal 9. Now, our last shape in here is a parallelogram here in the center. Our formula for area of a parallelogram is base times height. Both of those values are already in the shape. So we have 6 times 2.8. We multiply that out. We get 16.8. And we can put that back in our shape, and now all we have to do is add up the 3 pieces. 9 plus 9 plus 16.8 will give us 34.8. Going back to our original question, let's see if we have an answer choice in there. What is the area of the figure in square meters? C, 34.8 square meters.